Namaste viewers, welcome to MK Chastro Vastu once again. Today we are with the second episode for Rashi predictions for May 2020. So in part 1 we have covered from the Aries sign to Cancer sign. Today I am covering from the Leo to the Scorpio sign. Leo, that is the Simha Rashi, and the Virgo Kanya Rashi, Libra Tula Rashi, and Scorpio as the Rushika Rashi. So viewers who are watching our channel, please completely watch this video for the Rashi predictions for May 2020. So not delaying further, let's move to the first, the Leo sign. What is positive things stored for you? So let me share through a small slide here for the explanations. So I think viewers are able to see the Leo sign in screen, whatever that basic things. So let us see small basic things about you people, and then we can jump for a prediction for May 2020. The main basic prediction, as is the sign symbols, there is a lion in the image. That is your the whatever you called as the Simha Rashi, mean the Leo sign, and your Rashadipati means house lord is the planet sun, and you belong to the fiery sign, and it is the fixed sign, and the east direction tends to be lucky for you people. And there is a male sign here, and you belongs to the Kshatriya Varna, and you belongs to the whatever the nature is, means something cruel in nature, because it is like Rashi predictions basically. And in natural zodiac, it is a representation of the heart in the natural zodiac, and the lucky stone tends to be ruby for you people, and the lucky colors tends to be the pink and the red. And the main good important days for you people are the Sunday and the Wednesdays, and the Ishta Devata or Adrushta Devata tends to be Lord Surya Narayana. And the main thing, the lucky numbers tends to be 159, and the lucky dates are 1, 10, 19, and 28. And the friendly signs for you people, Simha Rashi people or Leo sign people, is a Mesha, Mithuna, Kanya Rashis. And the enemy signs are the Rushabha, Tula, and the Varashis. The speciality of you people are you are very confident enough people, and you tend to enjoy more the luxurious things in your life, and you are very creative with the nature, and you are very beautiful person, and you are friendly person too. But simple sort of negativity is sometimes you tend to be overconfident, and you are very tends to become egoistic depend upon the times. So the May 2020 for you people, Leo sign people, these are the planetary positions. The planet Ketu is in our 5th house, and planet Mars, Saturn, and Jupiter is in a 6th house, and planet your Rashadipati Sun and Buddha is in 9th house, and planet Venus is in 10th house, and Rahu tends to be in 11th house. So first 15 days tends to be very important period for you, or tend to meet politicians, and there will be a after meeting the politicians, you will get some sort of the positions in your life, and there will be a good name fame in your society, and there will be a near and dear one's meeting will be there, and it is showing on the cards like you are supposed to buy a property or supposed to buy a land like this wise, and whoever in a student life who are writing for the exams, there tends to be winning factor for you people, and new opportunity arises from this. And whoever the business persons, there will be a Bhagyodaya period, means the fortune is rising for you people, and your enemies are going to defeat from you, and whoever having the litigation, they will win over the litigation in this period. And the means the simple remedy, they just make the puja of Nagadevata will give form you good sort of the positivity this month. And next start, which is falling by 16th of May to 31st May. In this time period, you will be some worrisome due to your children matters, and you will get good gains and good news from the children. that is the thing. And some sort of good time for you, and there will be a cordial relationships with the friends and the family, and there tends to be a something negativity from your wife side or from female side. So but also you are tend to hear some good news also. And whichever you tend to do the efforts that will be going to fructify this month, and there may be time pass with the family, and your mind tends to be very relaxed and cool. And worshipping Lord Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami and Stotra of Lord Lakshmi Narasimha Swami tends to be very positive for this you people. And moving forward, the important Rashi, the Virgo sign, that is the Kanya Rashi people. So Kanya Rashi, you people, as the symbol represents, it is a single lady who is holding some balsam plants in the hand. And here your Rashi Lords tends to be the Mercury, and it is the Tattva is the Earth sign here, and it is direction is a south direction for you people. And Vaishya Varna, and means your nature tends to be smooth. And in Kala Purushas, in your this thing, it is just indication of stomach in the Kala Purushas chart. And the emerald tends to be lucky stone for you people. And the lucky colors tends to be yellow and the green. And the good day for you people is the Wednesdays and the Mondays. And the Adrushta Devata means lucky gods tends to be Lord Ganpati. And the lucky numbers tends to be 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And the lucky dates are the 5, 14 and 23. And the friendly signs for you people are the Mesha, Mithuna and Simha Rashis. And the some sort of enemy signs is tend to say, that is the Kataka Rashi. And your speciality in a thing is like you tend to have a compromised nature, and you are very creative with your works, and you tend to do very creative, and you tend to do the new things, creative in the existing thing also. And you have that business knowledge, diplomacy with you. And negativity some sort is like you tend to think some sort of negativity during some time sitting idle, and you tend to find the negative things in people's nature, that is your negativity. But also don't worry, your May, let us see what is in the cards for May 2020 productions. So in May month, so there will be a speculative gains, and there will be a good gains for from your father-in-law. And there is some sort of investment or some sort of expenses due to purchasing of some luxurious items. And for your paternal side, there will be some spending of money due to the medical expenses. And there is some sort of spirituality thinking in mind, and whatever that spiritual people, you tend to meet them. And some people will get interest in occult or some types of Vamachara kind of thing, means learning those things. And there will be a good thing for who are people working in an archaeological department. And for a simple remedy for this month, for first half of the May, is just worship with the Durga Kavacha, means just chant that Durga Kavacham will give you results. And viewers, let's see the next half of the May month. That tends to be 16th of May to 31st of May. So here also very good thing. You will tend to meet very good persons, very elderly persons, or very renowned person in the society. And there will be some sort of accident fear in your mind. So be careful. And there will be not an accident, but there is accident fearful is that be careful in your driving. And there will be some sort of negativity or some sort of obstacle from your known enemy only, means the near and dear ones. Be careful about that one. And there tends to be some sort of vairagya bhava in your family with your wife or something. And so you will get the speculative gains from the female. And performing Rudra Abhisheka to Lord Shiva gives you the good result. And moving forward, the third with the episode, the third Rashi we are seeing here, the Libra sign, that is the Tula Rashi, May 2020 predictions. The Libra signs, let us see what are the specialities first, viewers. Here the Libra signs consist of the three special nakshatra, that is Chitta, Swati and Vishaka, viewers. So here the whatever you are seeing in the image, the Rashi signs tends to be, and whatever that weighing scale is holding by a lady here, and your Rashadipati means house lord tends to be Lord Venus, and it is an Aries sign planet, and you tends to be in Chera means is the movable, and it is west direction tends to be very lucky for you people. And main it is in Shudra Varna, and you tends to be a nature of a cruel, some sort of this one. And in natural zodiac, it represents your reproductive organs, and it is a good lucky stone for you is a diamond, and lucky colors tends to be blue and the white, and lucky days are Mondays and Fridays, viewers. And the Adrushta Devata or lucky gods tends to be Lord Mahalakshmi, and lucky numbers tends to be 4, 6 and 7, 9, and lucky dates are the 6, 15 and 24, viewers. And the friendly signs for you people are Mithuna, Kataka and the Kumbha Rashis, and the inimical signs for you is the Simha Rashi. And the special nature for you people, you are very clever enough to crack the things, and you are very research oriented, study oriented, and you have tend to have the sweet quality of voice. With your voice you have the magnetic voice, viewers, and you have the fixed nature and fixed sankalpa, means whatever you thought you will decide, you will complete the things. And negativity, some sort of you tend to be jealous with the situations, and some sort of some misdoings, some misleadings in some sort of situation, that is some sort of negativity. Let us see what are the things which are stored in May 2020 for you people. So here May 2020 tends to be the graha positions. Grahagatis are like this: Graha Gocharas, the Ketu, the planet Ketu is in the third house, and the planet Mars and Saturn and Guru is in a fourth house, and the planet Mercury and the Sun is in seventh house, and the planet Venus, the Rashadipati, is in the eighth house. So, and the planet Rahu tends to be for you the ninth house. This is the situations for you people. And here main the thing is there is some sort of mental tensions, mental worries with you people, but you will hear very things, don't worry, and you will tend to enjoy good gains from your whatever that from your uncle or from your family relatives thing. There will be some sort of health issues. Be careful about it. And who are writing for exams, who are preparing for exams, and student part, there tends to be some sort of negativity. But don't worry, it will not move for more things. It is a limited period. So worship Durga Saptashati or chant this Durga Saptashati. It is very good for you. And whoever in the business field, it is for the next half of the period from 16th of May to 31st of May. Who is into the business things, they tend to improve in their existing things. And there is a good lucrative things after meeting from the higher ups, and some sort of whatever the ongoing tensions in your marriage life, there is a relief from that. And whatever whoever having love relationships, and there is some sort of collision with the elder people, so be careful about that. And whoever doing the businesses for these people, they tend to get losses. Be careful about that. So try to make Rudabhishekam to Lord Shiva. This will be helpful for you people. So finally in this episode, the last Rashi falling in the Scorpio sign. Scorpio, as you seeing in the image, it is like image of a Scorpio. It's very some sort of a very positive sign with respect to May 2020 predictions. Let us see. The house lord is the planet Mars, and it is then what is and this one Rashi it is there, and it is giving the Sthira Tattva, means fixed one, and the something it is the north direction tends to be very good for you people. and it's a Brahmana Varna, and the nature is very smooth. And in natural zodiac, it represents the backside and the reproductive organs and private parts in the natural zodiac. And the lucky stone for you people tends to be a coral, and lucky colors tends to be red and orange. And the lucky days are the Tuesdays and the Thursdays, and Adrushta Devata, lucky gods tends to be Lord Anjaneya or Maruti and or Mahashiva. And lucky numbers tends to be 3, 7, and 9. So, and lucky dates for falls by 8, 9, and 27. And the friendly signs are the Kataka Rashis and Meena Rashis. And the enemical signs for you people are Mesha, Simha, and Dhanasu. And the main thing, what are the for you people, what is stored in the May 20? Let's see for this. So May 2020, the Graha positions are like this. Ketu is in the second house. Your Rashadipati Mars, Guru, and Shani is in a third house. And the Ravi Buddha is in a sixth house. And planet Venus, Shukra is in seventh house. Rahu is in eighth house. So what is stored for you with this Graha Sthithis, Graha Gocharas? Let us see for first 15th of 1 to 15th of May, there will be some sort of discomfort in the health in your for your wife, and so there will be some sort of good gains from money from your elders, and there will be a good coordination relationship with your siblings, and some sort of expenses due to the female side, and whoever doing the working with the whatever industries, private workers will get good things, good gains here, and some sort of short travels will bring you very good luck, and there will be some sort of whatever enemical means the close enemies with whoever having with along with you have some sort of disputes with you, and who are students who are studying for exam or writing for exam, they will get the required to gain results, and be careful about the small sort of injuries. Be careful about that, just to overcome all sort of negativity. Worshipping Lord Subramanya or chanting Lord Subramanya Stotra, simple like this, it comes by Om Sharavana Bhavaya Namah. Chanting this will give you very good results. And next in a May month, next sort of predictions from May 16th to 31st. So there will be some more pressure on you on a working side, and there will be a help from your motherly side, and some sort of expenses due to the your spouse side for treating her. And you tend to if you are living non-vastu house, you will tend to suffer a lot. Vastu is a big like ocean kind of thing, means Vastu is general thing. Vasati hi Vastu. So simple thing, but balancing of all the energy and magnetic fields is a Vastu. That is a different viewers. But so here who are already living in a non-Vastu compliant houses, those tend to suffer. So be careful about that. Just meet the proper Vastu consultant, and there will be some sort of longevity issues for your mother or your grandma side. Be careful about that, and there will be some sort of a orthopedic issues for them, and whoever doing the real estate, they tend to suffer this month, and there will be a problem or worrisome from the whoever lending money, whoever lent the money, whoever took the money and borrowed money from others. There will be irritations from the lender side. So be careful about that. For due to this, there will be a mental imbalances. Just simple worship Lord Mahashiva. Do worship Mahashiva, chant Om Namah Shiva simple mantra, and worship Lord Shivas on Mondays, and performing the Rudrabhishekas on Amavasyas will prove the very good results. So for viewers, in this episode we have covered all the 4 Rashis, including the Leo, Virgo, and Libra, and the Scorpio. That is as it is Simha Rashi, Kanya Rashi, Tula Rashi, and the Vrushchika Rashi. So far we have covered the 4 basic Rashis and with all remedies also. So thanks for watching this complete video. I request viewers to like our channel, subscribe our channel, and click on the bell icon to receive all the notification. And one more thing, you can like our page, which I have mentioned in the starting of video in above section. Like our Facebook page to get a free predictions, one-to-one predictions for you people. We are running a daily live program over there from 8 to 8:30 from Sunday to Friday. It is except Saturday. It is running for a 6 days in a week, so you can get the opportunity from there also. So I thank viewers for watching this video completely. Namaste. Hare Krishna.